Reward posters may help Cincinnati police find the killers for other unsolved murders. You Can Speak for Me is a group with a mission of bringing killers to justice. It creates posters and flyers with the pictures of murder victims to keep the cases alive. Organizers want people to say something, even if they've seen something that can help close these cases. There are 52 names and faces on 3 different posters. The posters are for the 52 unsolved homicide cases in Cincinnati Police District ONe.